Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my Done For You Bonus Suite review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm going to give you a full overview and a demo. I'm also going to show you what the price is in upsells on how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom made juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of Done For You Bonus Suite. Now, in a nutshell, Done For You Bonus Suite is, as you might have guessed, you're going to get Done For You bonus pages. Now you can use these pages to promote your reviews. You can add a couple of relevant bonuses to the product that you are promoting, and that will boost your conversions through the roof. So this is a really cool product. I like the idea. As you might have guessed, I'm using a bonus page myself reviewing this product, and I can tell you that bonus pages work. And if you get relevant bonuses and give them alongside the purchase, you might get 6 times or 7 times more conversions than the normal review. So if you are interested, then stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything for you. I'm just gonna go through the members area in a second. But if you would like to pick up Done For You Bonus Suite anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description. Come through to my bonus page and click on one of these yellow buttons. Then you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Done For You Bonus Suite. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0. And once this goes live, which is on the 3rd of August at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, only then these buttons will be valid and you can pick up your copy. Now, alongside your purchase, you're gonna get all my exclusive bonuses. These are exclusive to me and they are not gonna be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you would like access to Done For You Bonus Suite plus all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly once you pick up Done For You Bonus Suite, then you have to pick it up from my bonus page. My first bonus is going to be exclusive access to Done For You bonus pages. I'm going to give you Done For You bonus pages just like this one for the next 365 days. I usually sell this for $197, but if you decided to pick up Done For You bonus suite via my link, I'm going to give you access to this exclusive bonus for free, so you don't have to worry about building bonus pages. I know this sounds too good to be true, plus you can build your own bonus pages from scratch, but I know that most of you guys watching this video are newbies and you don't want to put in that much of the work. I'm just gonna give you these Done For You bonus pages filled with my review video and my exclusive bonuses. All you have to do is input your affiliate link, and all you have to do is I'm gonna give you a code. Each time I create a bonus page, I'm gonna give you a special code that you can import this bonus page just via inputting that code, and you can import this whole bonus page. All you have to do then is edit your affiliate link, fill your these buttons with your own affiliate link, and you are good to go. My second bonus is going to be access to Print Monkey. Let me just go to Print Monkey. Yeah, let me just go to there. Let me just log in. Now, Print Monkey is basically the same idea. You can promote products using Done For You campaigns. So let me just show you an example right here. This is Brandon's product. This is Epic Bonuses for Profiteers. So he has done all the work for you. He has done the review video and he has the exclusive bonuses. As you can see, he has a ton of custom bonuses, and he also gives you the bonus delivery link right here. So you're gonna get access to this. We have over like 12 campaigns right here. You can create a campaign by clicking on create campaign. You input your Warrior Plus affiliate link, you add the campaign name, and you choose the type of the campaign. So if you want to promote Stomper, all you have to do is select Stomper, put your affiliate link and name the campaign, click on save, and you have these Done For You bonus pages. This is another cool product. You're gonna get access to this 100% free of charge. Now, the bonus number 3 is gonna be access to over 80 Done For You bonuses. If you want to go to this route and you want to build your own bonus pages, you want to make the work, you want to take an effort, or you want to make an effort, you can do this on your own. I'm just gonna give you the bonuses Chris is going to show you on how to research bonuses, but sadly, he's going to show you on how to find PLR products. And as we know, PLR products don't work anymore. That's why I'm giving you over 80 done for you bonuses. These are courses and softwares that you can give away alongside your reviews. The bonus number 4 is going to be access to Urgency Suites Pro. Now, if I open up Urgency right here, you'll see that Urgency Suites Pro is a scarcity bar. You can create these scarcity bars and add them to your bonus pages. And I can tell you that these are effective and they boost your conversions even further. So you can add the scarcity bar. You can also add a timer right here. All you have to do is get this code and put it inside your bonus page, as simple as that. In my last bonus is going to be exclusive access to all the vendors bonuses. These are the bonuses that the vendor gave to me to give to you guys, but sadly I don't know what these bonuses are. But what I do know is that most other affiliates are offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and give you access to all these extra bonuses free of charge and instantly delivered to you once you pick up Done for You bonus suite. Now bear in mind, you don't have to pick up any of the upsells, just pick up the front end and you'll be able to access all my bonuses free of charge. How do we access my bonuses? You're just gonna go to your Warrior Plus dashboard and then you're gonna hover over your username and click on purchase history. Once you do that, you're gonna scroll down and search for your purchase receipt of Done for You bonus suite. So let me just choose one at random. Let's say this is Done for You bonus suite. Once you click on that, you'll be able to access your purchase and access all my affiliate bonuses by clicking on the blue button. And basically you get access to all my bonuses free of charge. Now let's jump right into the members area and let me just show you inside what you're going to get. First, once you log in, you're gonna be hit with the welcome video. Chris is gonna welcome you and show you what to do next. Basically, all you have to do is go to the main training right here, and you're gonna be hit with the training section. He's gonna show you on how to install WordPress and how to import the theme and everything you need to know. Also, if you don't know how to build the website, he's gonna show you how to build it from scratch and how to install WordPress on your website. And then how to import the theme, website overview, website settings, how to edit the settings, header and footer, editing the web page, editing the bonus pages. It's going to show you how to edit the bonus pages using the extension I told you about, which is the Elementor. The next one we have getting bonuses. Please excuse the noise in the background. Then we have the delivering the bonuses. He's going to show you how to deliver the bonuses, how to input your bonus delivery link, bonus delivery link inside Warrior Plus. Then we have using Dropbox, Elementor Advanced, how to use the advanced version of Elementor to edit your bonus pages, and ranking on Google. This is all this training you're gonna get inside the members area of the front end. We have the upsells if you want to pick up the upsells inside the members area if you haven't already. We have the Facebook group in the contact if you want to contact the support, and we have the logout button, of course, to if you want to log out. This is all you're gonna get inside the members area. So Chris is gonna walk you through everything from setting up your WordPress site up to delivering your bonuses. This is a really good course, and everything I just showed you, you're gonna get for $16.95 plus all my exclusive bonuses if you happen to pick it up via my bonus page. You can read about the information right here. Feel free to go to my bonus page and read all the info that you are gonna get. The upsell number 1 is gonna be the premium bonuses for $37. The upsell the front end is gonna cost you $16.95. The upsell number 1 is gonna cost you $37. This upsell or this one-time offer is going to give your customers the right to use my previous 2 premium courses bonuses for your affiliate promotions. So you're going to be able to get reseller access, or you can give away his courses for free. He had the YouTube Supremacy and the WordPress Affiliate Suite. You can give away these courses as your own. Pretty much you don't need the upsell number 1 because I got you covered. I'm giving you over 80 done for you bonuses as my third bonus. These are high quality bonuses, courses, and softwares, so you definitely don't need the upsell number one. Building a list is going to be the upsell number two, which is $27. It's going to cost you $27. He's going to show you how to build your email list from those buyers. Basically, if you want to learn how to build an email list from buyers, you're going to have to pick up the upsell number two. I highly recommend this for $27. It's still a lot cheaper, and you're going to be able to build a buyer's list using the training that you're gonna get inside the upsell number two. And the upsell number three is gonna be the reseller license. You're gonna get this for $67. You can sell Done For You Bonus Suite as your own and get 100% commission throughout the funnel. This is still a good deal for $67 because most other vendors will sell this for $197, but Chris has lowered the price down to $67. So this is my Done For You Bonus Suite review. Again, I didn't check out the sales page. You can check it out at your own time. We have some proof, testimonials. We have some payment proof, testimonials, some more info about the product, some more info about Chris and all that good stuff. You can check it out at your own time. As you can see, it's really long. But basically, this is a no-brainer. For $16.95, you're gonna get 4 professional Done For You WordPress bonus pages, plus training and all that good stuff. And if you want bonuses, like I said, you don't need the first upsell. Just pick up the second upsell. If you want to sell this as your own, pick up the third upsell. This was my review. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. I'll respond to them as soon as I see them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.